Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 14 group want to present the result of the discussion. Here we are 6 participants. Each of whom has a task and the role in the working on the material and making these videos. Here we have 6 participants. Number 1 is Reynaldi Satriabakti. Number 2 is Rizky Azriel Akbar. Number 3 is Rizky Asabi Sitorus. Number 4 is Syahrizal Situmorang. Number 5 is Yanu Dwi Arianto. Number 6 is Advin Oktamada Sopak. Here we will discussion about how to make learning activities at home in the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Jadi di sini kami akan mempresentasikan atau mendiskusikan tentang bagaimana membuat pembelajaran di rumah selama pandemi situasi COVID-19. Untuk ini. Here we have 4 problems. Di sini kami memiliki 4 masalah yang sudah kami diskusikan. Number 1 is setting up technology. Number 2 is searching and browsing literature. Number 3 is time management. Number 4 is don't be lazy. Jadi di sini kami akan mempresentasikan tentang mempersiapkan teknologi yang harus disiapkan selama situasi pandemi. Yang kedua yaitu mencari dan memperbanyak literatur baik dari internet maupun dari buku-buku. Nomor 3 adalah mengatur waktu. Nomor 4 yaitu jangan malas. So here we will presentation with our participant group. Problem yang pertama yang akan disampaikan oleh Yanu dan juga Syahrizal. Yang kedua, masalah yang kedua yaitu akan disampaikan oleh Reynaldi. Masalah yang ketiga akan dibacakan oleh Advin. Masalah yang keempat akan dibacakan oleh Rizky Asabi Sitorus.
How to make learning activities at home in this situation is number 1 is setting up technology. Pandemic situation like this review us to study at home. The first thing to be prepared is technology. So that learning activities run smoothly. Jadi yang pertama harus disiapkan untuk memaksimalkan belajar di rumah di situasi pandemi COVID-19 seperti saat ini adalah mempersiapkan teknologi yang dibutuhkan untuk belajar. Apa saja teknologi yang dibutuhkan untuk belajar? Number 1 is sinyal, kuota, handphone, komputer, dan lain-lainnya. Next, number 1 is sinyal internet. For those of us who are in rural areas, it will be more difficult to access to internet, but we still have to able to learn. How do you it? Tidak di semua tempat memiliki kondisi sinyal yang stabil. Bagaimana jika kita berada di daerah perdesaan atau daerah yang sulit dengan sinyal, bagaimana cara mengatasinya supaya bisa memaksimalkan aktivitas belajar di rumah? Number 1 is using a specific internet provider online learning according to XCT quality in the region. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan internet provider untuk menunjang kegiatan pembelajaran di rumah sesuai dengan yang ada di daerah masing-masing. Number 2, right friend. If you have close friend and he happen to have this internet access and help you smoothly the process of learning online, there is nothing wrong with asking him for help as long as it is valid and you understand to him. Jadi yang kedua solusinya yaitu kita bisa meminta bantuan ke teman atau istilahnya nebeng. Kita bisa nebeng wifi or internet akses di rumah teman yang memiliki jaringan internet akses yang mudah. Tetapi kita harus mengerti bagaimana dia. Misalnya sebagai tamu kita juga harus sopan, kemudian tidak mengganggu aktivitas dia belajar atau aktivitas lainnya. Next, free wifi at the workshop coffee shop. Coffee shop is usually provide internet access for customer. Of course, you can use this if you need it. Yang ketiga yaitu pergi ke coffee shop atau istilahnya ke kafe. Biasanya di kafe ada disediakan layanan wifi, jadi kita bisa menggunakan layanan wifi tersebut untuk aktivitas belajar kita. Next, install at home internet service. This solution will cost when all the ways you take it don't make it easily. At one of the cost installing internet is usually quite affordable. Unlike in rural area, the price can to regulate a condition. Yang terakhir yaitu menginstal atau memasang wifi di rumah sendiri, tetapi ini juga tidak begitu disarankan karena biasanya di setiap daerah itu memiliki harganya masing-masing, jadi perlu dipertimbangkan untuk memasang jaringan internet di rumah. Next, be handphone or computer. Those of us who have a middle to lower economy will definitely object if there are steps that we have to use a computer or laptop or handphone. How do we got our text done? Solution: we can borrow laptop or handphone from sleeping or fine. And if don't have a laptop, we can go to internet cafes or to template the text properly. Jadi yang harus dipersiapkan untuk aktivitas belajar di rumah yang kedua yaitu handphone atau komputer. Ini menjadi salah satu alat komunikasi yang sangat penting guna menunjang aktivitas belajar di rumah. Lalu bagaimana yang tidak punya alat komunikasi tersebut? Solusinya kita bisa meminjam ke keluarga atau teman yang punya. Jika tidak ada yang mempunyai, kita bisa pergi ke warnet untuk melakukan aktivitas belajar di rumah supaya berjalan dengan lancar.
Signal or internet. For those of us you are in rural areas, it will be more difficult to access the internet. But we still have to be able to learn how do you it. Number one, using a specific internet provide in online learning according to the existing quality in the region. Number two, right friend, if you have a close friend and he happen to have decent internet access and can help you smooth the process of learning online. There's nothing wrong with asking him to help as long at its point and you are extending to him. Number 3, free Wi-Fi at the workshop or cafe shop usually provide internet access for customer. Of course, you can use switch off to need it. Number 4, install a home internet service. The solution is a word cost when all the words you take it don't make it easy. Although the cost of installing internet in cities is usually quite affordable and like in tourist area the price can so according to regional condition.
I want to explain sharing and browsing literature. Not all subjects can be understood easily. Some materials need direct explanation so that students really understand them. With inadequate condition, many students are required to be able to understand and learn each lecture. The solution is record lecturer explanation to help prepare the materials. Will later can continue to record and listen to improve point conveyed by the lecture and sharing and browsing and literature for books. Internet age. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Advin Oktama Dasopang. I will read out part number 3, namely time management. During the online recovery system, many students often miss their entry on time in each course. That's why the solution is to manage time management properly. Time for independent study during the pandemic so that it can be used properly, and set the time pattern from other activities and profits time discipline in lecture activities. Here are ways to maximize learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Time for study, time for sleep, time for sport, time for holiday. I want to add to the solution from the content section number 3, which is follows. Number 1, master stress management. Certain cases will always appear at work. Number 2, start with question and challenging. Number 3, improve communication skill. Number 5, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Advin Oktama Dasopang. I will read out part number 3, namely time management. During the online recovery system, many students often miss their entry on time in each course. That's why the solution is to manage time management properly. Time for independent study during the pandemic so that it can be used properly, and set the time pattern for other activities and profits time discipline in the lecture activities. Here are ways to maximize learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. time for study, time for sleep, time for sport, time for holiday. I want to add to solution from the content section number 3, which is as follow. Number 1, master stress management. A certain process will always appear at work. Number 2, state with questioning and challenge. Number 3, improve communication skill. Number 4, learn to stay focused. Number 5, make a plan. Number 6, dare to make two decisions. Number 7, looking for self-motivation. Number 8, arriving a property scale. The next one will be continued by my colleagues. See you.
Don't be lazy, keep spirit. Feeling lazy to learn is one of the common distractions that children face when going to school directly. School activity carried out from home actually increase children laziness. Lazy children to learn are actually influenced by various factors. This is why parents should not immediately get angry or blame their children when they feel lazy to study. It is important for parents to identify the real problem and find the best solution to solve it. The case have not spirit, too much school load, a different home atmosphere from school, teacher teaching style. And the solution, make a study plan, don't put off work, find a comfortable and productive place, don't forget to rest, and remember ideals.
Okay guys, we have finished presenting the result of the discussion that we have designed. We thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.